Most men can get to 15%, but almost nobody can stay there year-round without turning their diet and training into a full-time job. So in this video, I will show you how you can get to 15% body fat and actually stay there year-round without tracking every single calorie, turning down every social event, or becoming obsessed with every single bite of food. After helping dozens of men get to 15% body fat and stay there year-round, I developed a framework I called STAY. Each letter represents a different stage in the process. So let's start by looking at S and how it will help keep you at 15%. Most people can't stay at 15% body fat because they treat their body like a car going 200 miles an hour 24/7. Eventually it overheats and breaks. In fitness terms, that looks like more cardio, cutting carbs completely, and trying to maintain the same intensity that got you from 30% to 15%, even though you no longer need to. That's where S comes in. S stands for sweet spot. At 15%, your goal isn't putting in more effort, it's working out what you need to do to stay there. To find that sweet spot, you need to focus on slowing down and learning the skill of maintenance, which I will talk you through. But before you get there, if you're currently working your way to 15%, use my free calculator. You just enter your details like I'm doing now, and it tells you exactly how long it takes to get you to 15% and how much you have to lose without burning out. The free calculator is in the description below. So now you know what to aim for. Let's talk about T, which is the part that makes this entire process significantly easier. When I first lost weight, we're talking about the very first time. I went from 272 pounds to 182. I lost 90 pounds, ditched the weights, did a ton of cardio, went low carbs, all in 4 to 5 months. When I looked in a mirror, I didn't look lean and athletic. I looked flat and small. Sure, I'd lost the fat, but I'd also lost all the muscle I'd worked for. I made the mistake that most men make. I was training to burn calories, not to build muscle. Because of that, I didn't look like 15% body fat. This wasn't what I wanted to maintain. I then got frustrated and went back to my old ways. You probably guessed it. I put most of the fat back on. The next time I actually trained to build muscle, and when I got to 15% body fat, I was able to maintain that all year round. So here's what you do. Progressive resistance training 3 to 4 times a week, adding weight or reps over time. You're training to build muscle. Your nutrition is taking care of the fat loss. Now you've got the muscle, maintaining 15% becomes significantly easier. That's the T in stay. Now for the A. This is where most men put themselves in a position where it's nearly impossible to maintain 15% body fat year round. For this, I want you to think of your food like your phone at work. You're trying to get something done every 2 minutes, buzz, notification, text, email. You ignore it, try to focus, buzz, another one. You can fight it all day, or you can just put your phone in another room. Problem solved. That's what most men get wrong about staying at 15%. They keep crisps in the cupboard. They keep ice cream in the freezer, the biscuits on the counter. Then they try to ignore them every single night at 9 p.m. when they're tired and hungry. Here's what I want you to do. Clear out your kitchen completely. Remove everything that makes it harder to stay at 15% for you. Processed snacks, biscuits, ice cream, maybe even the nuts you snack on when you get home, at least for now. Keep the basics, eggs, meat, veg, Greek yogurt, maybe a bit of dark chocolate. Now, when you're hungry at 9 p.m, your options are simple. Greek yogurt with some berries. There's no battle. The choice has already been made. But here's what people worry about. What about treats? What about enjoying your food? When you go out to eat, get dessert. You can still have pastries a couple of times a week. Your rule, only eat them if you've gone out to get them, not from those stale bulk packets sitting in your kitchen. I've never seen someone overeat chicken breasts, Greek yogurt, or veg. Doesn't have the same appeal. We are creating an environment where the better choice becomes far easier, not harder. So does staying at 15%. So that's the A in stay. Automate your environment. Now for the why, which makes staying at 15% year-round possible, and without it, you're almost guaranteed to rebound. What you do when you hit 15% body fat dictates if you can actually stay there. My client Dave came to me around 20% body fat. He'd tried getting lean multiple times before. Keto, paleo, fasting, the same pattern every time. He'd get close to 15%, then he'd think he had to eat perfectly to maintain it. That idea alone is off-putting enough. Think about when you start to think of life just chicken, broccoli, and tracking every single bite. You can't blame Dave for what happened next. Friday night drinks or Saturday night pizza dinner. Because he thought it had to be perfect, any deviation meant he'd failed, so he'd give up, binge the weekend, put the weight back on. I told Dave what I tell all my clients. You don't need perfection. You need structure with flexibility built in. So we built in flexibility. 80% of the time whole foods and 20% of the time whatever he wanted. We still had the structure of protein and vegetables at all meals, solid foods over liquids where possible. For Dave, that was protein oats for breakfast with berries, protein and veg for lunch with a potato, and the same for dinner. Simple. Sunday lunch, eat what's there. Pizza, fine. Dessert, fine. Throwing in a few pastries during the week, also fine. Just right back to routine without some sort of week-long food tour. We got Dave to 15% body fat in 3 months. Then here's what changed. At maintenance, he had more calories to work with, so now he could have even more flexibility. Remember that 80%? Still the same meals that got him to 15%. High protein, high fiber, satisfying meals, whole foods. We were giving the body what it needs and managing hunger. You can't start eating completely different foods once you hit 15% and expect to stay there. The foods that got you lean are the same foods that will keep you lean. Dave's been at 50% for over 2 years now. Not because he's perfect, but because he has structure and flexibility. That's the why in stay. The year-round 80-20 rule. That's what makes this stick. Look, I'm sure you're tired of the same cycle. Getting lean, putting the fat back on, getting lean, rebounding again. If you want the complete stay framework, the exact system that gets you to 15% and keeps you there, I work with 4 new men each month in my strategic body blueprint program. Application is in the description below and it takes less than 2 minutes. Now you know how to stay at 15% body fat year round. But if you want to make sure you have abs when you're at 15%, there's 2 exercises you need to be doing. Watch this video next. I'll show you exactly what they are and how to do them. See you there.